This is everything included in the package: the device, user manual, and 2 sets of 3M adhesive. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the housing from the bottom, then fully open the cover from the side. Remove the battery insulation tab to power on the device. After powering on, the indicator light will start blinking slowly. Open the eWeLink app and scan the QR code on the device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. After pairing, reassemble the device housing. 2 sets of 3M adhesive are included in the package. Attach the adhesive to the back of the device, peel off the protective film, and mount it in the desired location. Align the alignment mark on the transmitter and the magnet as closely as possible. The magnet supports both horizontal and vertical mounting. For horizontal mounting, keep the installation gap within 30 mm. For vertical mounting, keep the installation gap within 15 mm. The magnet can be removed from the housing using a flathead screwdriver and installed separately. This makes it suitable for narrow or space-limited installation areas. A tamper switch is located on the back of the device. When the device is removed, a notification will appear in the app or a smart automation will be triggered.